Lincolnator Hotel, Edinburgh. We're out. Just as quickly as we came, it's time to leave. Edinburgh is fantastic though, and I hope to come back someday. All right, we've arrived at the train station. Today we're heading to Inverness, Scotland. If there's any beef that I have with Europe, it's the bathroom situation.
Holly's going to use the restroom. There's a 30p charge.
Look, bro, if I need to hit the loo badly and I don't have money, I'm jumping that turnstile. Come on now. Honestly, the day was going smooth until...
I missed it. We just missed it. We just left. Excuse me, sir. We just missed our train. Here? Yeah, 15 Inverness.
All right, well, we just missed our train to Inverness. And because we were good people and purchased advanced single rate tickets months ago, we are screwed and had to spend £100 on new tickets. This time, it's not a straight shot either. We actually have to do a changeover somewhere. I honestly wasn't that angry about it. See, booking and doing things the right way always screws you in the ass. Okay, maybe a little bit. So our train literally left as we walked up to the gate to swipe our cards. To be fair, it was our fault that we were late.
We literally walked up to the thing at 10:35 and the train was like, oh, see ya.
It really was 10:35 that we showed up. Our train was scheduled to leave at 10:36. Oh well. After spending another valuable hour in the train station, we finally got on a train. This one to Perth. Alright, well, as you can see, we made it on to this train at least. The ride to Perth wasn't too bad, and I even got some editing done. That's always good. After a short wait in Perth, we got on our train to Inverness. My goodness, was this train ride incredible. Scotland is such a beautiful place. And yes, editing is literally life. All day, every day.
Cheers.
Welcome to Inverness, Scotland, Holly. You've made it to the land of the cows that go moo. Moo. With the crazy hair. Inverness is a small town of like 60,000 and it's way up north in Scotland. You may be wondering why we are here. Well, you'll just have to wait and find out in the next vlog. Our hotel in Inverness may win the award for most unique front desk ever. First name Lincoln?
Yep.
Fantastic. And we got you in for the 2-night stay.
Yeah.
All right, so this is room 116 at the Penta Hotel right downtown Inverness. Upon walking in, you've got a sign that says Inverness. You obviously have the bed, which is the largest bed we've had the entire time we've been here, I believe. Desk area, which I will use, of course. Chair with light. How the heck do you open these dang things? Here's the view. Like I said, it's right in downtown Inverness. So here is the bathroom. It's green. I'm green and I bidet. No bidet! Where does one clean their buttocks? All right, we are back out on the streets. I don't know about you guys, but I think the best thing about traveling outside of your home country is just walking around and experiencing everything the place has to offer. While we walk to this castle, I want to talk to you about this. Anyways, my numbers dropped out the bottom, and I think it's important to remember your stats, your likes, your comments, your views. They don't determine what you're doing, how good you're doing it. All they really determine is how many people have seen it. So just remember that the analytics are there to help you, but they're not necessarily the end all for if what you're doing is good, people enjoy what you're doing, that sort of thing. Anyways, we are now at the Inverness Castle, which we can't go inside. This castle was built in the 1800s, so it lacks a lot of the character that the older castles we've seen on this trip have, but it does offer some fantastic views of Inverness. All right, well, we came and saw the Conqueror. All right, we came and saw the castle in what, 5 minutes, Holly?
Look at that. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold it the right way.
1 is the loneliest number. Inverness is an easily walkable city. We walked for a solid hour before making it to a mall in the heart of the city.
Guys, this right here is an Apple store. It's not an actual Apple store. It kind of looks like the Apple store, but it's definitely not the Apple store.
It doesn't even really look like the Apple store.
I mean, from a distance.
From a distance. For dinner, we thought we would try an American restaurant across the street from our hotel.
These are supposed to be Kentucky wings. I don't know what that means.
We're originally from Kentucky, but immigrated to Pennsylvania a few years ago. So Holly takes her chicken seriously. It was okay. I mean, you know, it's okay.
We had Kentucky wings. It was just meant they were regular wings. I don't know what made them Kentucky. They were just wings.
All right, anything else?
They had Frank's Red Hot, which was good.